Bitcoin just did it again. While most people were arguing about whether it was dead, a new group quietly turned small, boring, consistent buys into life-changing money. And here's the part that stings. Most of the people who missed it weren't wrong about Bitcoin. They were just too scared, too late, or they started the completely wrong way and got wiped out before they ever gave it a chance. So, in the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to start with Bitcoin in 2026, safely as a total beginner. The 3 mistakes that quietly destroy new buyers, and the simple system that lets you sleep at night while you build a position. This is not financial advice. Crypto is volatile, and you can lose money. But by the end, you'll understand it better than 90% of the people aping in around you. Let's start with the one idea that makes Bitcoin click. Forget the charts for a second. Bitcoin is simply the first money in history that no government, no bank, and no company can print more of. There will only ever be 21 million coins. That's it. Locked. Forever. Every currency you've ever held gets quietly printed into oblivion. That's why everything feels more expensive every year. Bitcoin was built to do the exact opposite. Get scarcer over time, on a schedule nobody can change. And that scarcity is why, over every 4-year cycle, the same pattern keeps rhyming. A slow, quiet accumulation. Then a violent run. Then everyone who bought the top panics. The people who win aren't smarter. They just refuse to play the game everyone else plays. So let's kill the 3 mistakes that wreck beginners. Mistake 1. Buying on hype. When Bitcoin is all over the news and your barber is giving you tips, that's usually the worst time to throw in your whole paycheck. Mistake 2. Using some random, shiny app you found in an ad, with no track record. That's how people get their funds frozen or stolen. And mistake 3. Treating it like a casino. Going all in, using crazy leverage, checking the price 40 times a day. That's not investing. That's just anxiety with extra steps. So here's the simple way to actually do it. Instead of trying to time the perfect moment, which nobody can, you buy a small, fixed amount on a regular schedule. Every week or every month. When the price is low, your money buys more. When it's high, it buys less. Over time, you get a smooth average, and you remove the emotion that blows up most beginners. It's boring, and boring is exactly why it works. Now, where you actually do this matters more than almost anything else. The platform I use to buy and trade crypto is Bybit. When you're new, starting on some shady, no-name app is the fastest way to lose everything before you even begin. Bybit is one of the largest exchanges in the world. Deep liquidity, serious security, low fees, but simple enough to make your first buy in a couple of minutes. You can start with a tiny amount, zero pressure. Use the link in the description and you'll get a sign-up bonus to start with. Just remember, only ever put in what you can afford to lose. Now, one more thing, because this is where a lot of people slip. Once you own a meaningful amount, leaving all of it sitting on any exchange forever is not the end game. Exchanges are for buying and trading, not for storing a fortune long-term. But that's a whole topic on its own, and it's exactly what the next video is about, so stick around. Let me leave you with the mindset that separates the people who make it from the people who get shaken out. 1. Think in years, not days. The daily price is noise. 2. Only invest money you won't need soon, so a dip never forces your hand. 3. Automate small, consistent buys, then go live your life. And 4. Keep learning, because the people who understand this stuff calmly outlast the ones just chasing green candles. Quick reminder, this is education, not financial advice. Your money, your decision, and crypto can go down as fast as it goes up. But if this finally made Bitcoin make sense, subscribe. The next video shows you exactly how to store your crypto so it can't get hacked, frozen, or stolen. And that one might save you more money than anything else on this channel. I'll see you there.